civil. Yep. We serve the documents right sometime. All right.
Judge Patrick Smith rendered a judgment on 11 February 2016. This sought to enable Raymond Carby-Samuels to see his mom on a daily basis so that he could, quote, resume support to her nutritional or related caregiving requirements, unquote, that his mom had documented in writing that she desired.
Got to film everything?
Yep.
Here under court order. You see my mom at 3 o'clock. The judicial order. Nope, it's court order every day, daily. So I have a court order to see my mom at 3 o'clock.
Absolutely, yeah.
And I'm trying to see if my father's blocking access.
This is the court order here?
Yes, it's the court order over there. You can read the whole thing if you like, officer.
Sorry, who are you, sir?
This is my film person that I spoke to the police and I said that they would be here to film to make sure that things are being compliant with the judge order to see my mom.
Okay. All right.
This video was made with the acknowledgement and permission of the Ottawa Police Services. It shows the father of Raymond Carby-Samuels disobeying Judge Patrick Smith's judgment that was issued in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. Reference Ontario Superior Court of Justice File 15-66772.
And he was also served out by the postal service as well.
So who's your father's having to pay this?
Yeah, he has to. That's what the judge ordered. The judge ordered that he pay this plus that
To
legal
you?
cost to me.
Who's the plaintiff?
I'm the plaintiff.
Yeah.
Plus, he said that defendant Horace Carby-Samuels
access by
by me at 3 a.m. on a daily basis. And then he signed it there. He said right there.
Okay. What hoops did you go through for this?
It's
what?
Superior Court of Justice officer.
I see that, sir, up the front here.
Yeah.
But how did this transpire?
This transpired
I see.
because back in, I had witnessed neglect and abuse taking place by my mom in April.
Okay.
And what happened was that I expressed some concern about that to my father. He got upset. I was expressing the concern to him about the abuse that was taking place.
Okay.
He then had me said I wasn't allowed to come back on the property anymore. So I have not been able to see my mom actually since only once on June 12th because of social service agents facilitated that, but he's not allowed me back on the property.
Since last year?
June 12th, yeah. So I've been able to see my mom, and my mom is physically incapacitated.
Okay.
She can't walk, talk, or write because of he's not been looking after her properly.
Okay.
So I got a judicial order saying that I be allowed access to facilitate her medical requirements because the judge looked over her neglect and looked over the pattern of neglect. And said,
what documents did you provide that allowed?
I provided my lawyer's representation about the neglect. I provided access to photos, and I provided access to other documents that reinforced my mom's neglect, including the representation by the paralegal that my mom has become physically incapacitated.
Okay. So now, enforcing it from the police side, we'll go talk to your dad.
Okay.
We'll go on our own at first, just because of any potential.
Yep. No, we'll wait out
We don't
here.
need any. We don't need to
Yep.
escalate it. We'll
Yep.
try to talk to him,
Yep.
and maybe we can just talk to him and get that access. Would this be the first time since this has been signed, that you would have been granted access or be granted
Yeah,
access?
this is the first time I haven't
Okay.
been able to be.
Does he have a copy of that?
Yes, yes, he does.
He does have a copy?
Yeah, yeah. Postal server came today and served him at 12, and then about after 12 we filmed that as well.
Okay, you filmed that as well.
Yeah, and it was dropped by the paralegal yesterday, and then I gave a copy of this to Sergeant Sacco yesterday.
Yeah.
And I gave
Yeah,
a copy
Franco's-
of this to Jeremy Wright, who's
Okay.
who's a lawyer in the city of Ottawa, works for the Ottawa Police Services Board. He works in the city of Ottawa for the police as the lawyer.
Okay.
He's the Ottawa police lawyer.
And when,
Sorry,
and
your
when you gave
father's
it to
name, his first name,
Franco Sacco, what did he say?
I didn't speak to him personally. I went to the headquarters, and they said he would give it to Sergeant Sacco. I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't see him personally.
All right. Okay, so we'll go do a knock right
Okay.
now. We'll tell him you're here. We'll tell him you have the order from the Superior
Yeah.
Court of Justice.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes, and then
Yeah.
we'll come back and talk to you. Like I
Okay.
said, I'd appreciate it if you stay here
No, we'll
first,
stay-
just
we'll
so
stay
there's
here.
no escalation of
No,
anything.
no, officer, we'll stay here.
Because you've already went right
No,
around.
we're law,
three.
but no, we're law abiding. We're gonna stay
Yeah,
right
no,
here.
no, that's fine.
Yeah.
Like 15 minutes ago,
Yeah.
you went?
Yeah, 15 minutes ago, officer. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, you can film from just down here. Have to move your car.
Hi, sir. Can we talk to you for a second, sir? We just want to talk to you for a second, please. We don't need to come in. Can we please? I know, can we please just talk for a second so I can explain what's going on? Sir, I can barely hear you. I don't know what. Okay, well, I'm not on him. I'm not on his side. I'm trying to talk to you. I need to know from your side what's going on. Okay, is this an ongoing thing? Right. Can you please just open the door? We don't need to come in. Okay, let's go talk to this guy.
Shows the Ottawa police attempt to assist Raymond Carby-Samuels in seeing his mom pursuant to the judgment to no avail. Raymond's father, shown in the video, responding at the door, had impeded Raymond's mom, Raymond's father's wife, access to speech therapy following a doctor's recommendation that was supported by both Raymond's mom, who is a retired RN, and Raymond. As a consequence of that denial, Raymond's mom can no longer talk. Apparently, due to such negligence and abuse, Raymond's mom can also no longer walk or write and has been in declining health.
This was June 12th, and when I spoke to the officer about this a long time ago, Well, because he can't stop me from seeing your mom. And I know Lewis used to be, I guess, the sergeant. He lives over there. He said he can't see you.
Film anybody you want.
But
Like as a courtesy, you can film the interaction that's happening.
Yeah.
We're doing as much as we can for you.
Yeah.
Look into it, okay?
Okay, no problem. So
It'd have to take another step again. You'd have to document like you're doing, right? And you'll have to prove to a justice again, right? Like what's going on, and then potentially it could be escorted by police, gain entry, whatever the case may be.
And then, he can be. I mean, the court can issue something about him being in contravention of this court order.
Okay.
And
Correct.
you've made efforts, and he is disregarding it.
Okay.
At this point of the game, though, what my partner's saying is we're not going to use force to force
No,
ourselves.
I understand not using force. I understand that.
And that's what it would take at this point.
Okay.
Because he's not going to comply with us.
He doesn't want anything to do with us. You saw him.
Yeah.
He's talking to me. He's not even barely talking to me through the door.
Yeah,
He's telling me to leave.
Yeah.
And I have no right to either.
Yeah.
Now, I've already done my invitation to knock. I already knocked on the door, tried to talk to him. If he doesn't want me in, I can't go in. Although he's breaching this contract that has been, the court order, that's been written out.
Okay.
Do you understand, though?
Yeah.
So I still want you to be able to fulfill your need to see your mom and execute the court order.
Yeah.
But you might need to take further legal action through the courts to do that.
Okay.
Which is what you're doing. Like you're documenting these things.
Yeah.
It's just it'll look good on you because you're making the efforts, you're following the order that's been stipulated and put out here.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, your dad, on the other hand, is not, right?
Okay.
And you're certain he's been served this?
Yes, he was there.
So he said to me barely, what I could barely hear through the window that he was talking me through, was that you've been doing this for 8 months and you've been bothering them. Just let me finish, okay? And he thinks that, I'm acting as an agent for you here.
Okay,
and I'm like, listen, I'm completely impartial.
Yeah.
I couldn't even talk to him about a court order. I tried to bring it up.
Yeah.
So if you can understand our position, we're trying to be mediators, work for both people, right?
Yeah.
But if someone doesn't want to cooperate, I can't go into his home.
Okay. Yeah.
Although he is not following this order.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
Believe me, I would love nothing more than for today to be able to get you in to see your mom. That's 100% what we would love to do. But we're limited in our powers, right?
So if I get more court directive, would I be able to get you to come back since it's already took place, or would it be another group of officers?
It may be another group of officers, but at that point, I mean, we need we see this a lot in custody disputes where parents might be arguing over who has custody of a child. It's the same situation. Where
Raymond's mom has essentially become a prisoner in her own home. Raymond, as of this video's release, has not seen his mom since 12 June 2015. Raymond's mom has been denied visitation access by Raymond's father after having been reported for his maltreatment. Spousal abuse among the elderly continues to go unreported and ignored. The women who are often sick and disabled are among the most vulnerable of our society.